Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to a new Spitfire Bitcoin update. The last ones were pretty good in terms of predictions, so let's see if we can keep going. I apologize if my voice sounds a little bit weird today. I'm having a bit of a cold, but that's not an issue, so let's get to work. First of all, let me brag a little. In our last update, which was around here on Thursday, we said that there are 50-50 chances for up and down. But because of this week, I wanted to be filled. Now, this wasn't a light statement on X. Many of you told me that no, we are bullish, it's only up from here. But price action doesn't care about our feelings and about what we want. An inefficient week will most likely be filled at some point. And this one was so different on so many exchanges that it had to be at least partially filled, if not whole. And this is what happened in our case. And because of that, we now have a 5 waves move down. If you remember, last Thursday we said that this move is either an ABC down or it will turn into a 5 waves down. And because of this week, we now have a new long from here. She took all the wicks from behind. We also had an internal Fibalgo here, 786. And if you zoom in, you have a pretty nice market structure break, which was here, and the perfect golden pocket retest. So this is our long position now. We stop at the low and we first take profit at monthly open here, which happened on Tuesday. Now this trade is risk-free and now we wait to see how price action develops from here. Now let's zoom out again and remove all of these. Our last support zone before early open and golden pocket will be 886 and 100k psychological number. So this will be here. If this one doesn't hold, then we are looking for lower prices, as we've been talking about for ages. Golden pocket early open 93-94k. In terms of resistance, if we zoom in and add a fib retracement from all-time high to the last low, and we remove 382 and 0.5 because we don't need them, we can see that we have the point of control of this entire range right on golden pocket. So this will be our first resistance zone. And I'll make this one a little bit bigger, up to the 707, because we have the value area high of this range here too. If this one doesn't hold, then yes, 886 might offer a scalp short. But if she is to go back up here, I'd expect a new all-time high. And here we know the scenario. Go above, back below, offer a market structure break and an entry for a short. Depending on how price action moves up here, we can then find a fib extension and maybe a channel to give us a new target for all-time high. But as it stands now, we don't have much to work with. And I don't think that will happen until our next update on Thursday. This is pretty much it. Don't get caught in this chop around here. Wait for a clear trade. And if you are bored waiting on Bitcoin, you can join us and trade Nasdaq with us on the New York session. Even if the bosses, Spitty and Cake, say that they don't give signals, they do provide us with all the info we need, so we just click buttons. And the 79% win rate for the month of October says it all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or in our free Spitfire Discord. Take care, have a great weekend, and see you next week. Bye bye.